Big news! I think we all know what today is.
Smart Contract Eve.
Smart Contract Eve. And I think we all remember this time about a week ago, last Saturday, we woke up to a complete crash.
I woke up, I'm like, oh, what the hell's going on? I go on Twitter.
Yep.
I see something about min swap and 1 transaction per block.
So much fun.
I go on these forums and I'm seeing all these people just talking shit on Cardano. It's like, oh, you guys, you guys are so done with your aid. I told you it was all vaporware. Right. How do you guys believe this? And I'm like, no, this isn't right. This doesn't feel right. What the hell's going on here?
So it forced everyone to take a step back and look into, well, how do these smart contracts work versus the Ethereum smart contracts? And then they discovered the beauty that is UTXO and how amazing these smart contracts truly will be in the Cardano ecosystem.
Kind of like a Streisand effect, right? They try to cache, throw FUD, and it just makes people actually take a look at what Cardano.
Oh, like the Passion of the Christ, the Mel Gibson movie where people said it was so bad that everyone had to go to the theaters to see what was up.
Yeah, what it can actually do, and there's already UTXO base smart contract chains out there.
And there's already at least five companies that have said they've got the concurrency issue resolved in Cardano.
Yeah, and they all came with their solutions independently of each other.
I think we all know what the solutions are going to end up being. Cardano is going to be the best mainnet, the smart contract base layer, and it's already there to be fully utilized with layers. Okay, hear me out here.
Like an onion.
Layers. You're going to have other smart contract layers. Like it wouldn't even surprise me if we get something like a Plutus mainnet. Hear me out. Plutus mainnet. It's a side chain that's a Plutus chain that can run way more transactions per second. That's going to be doing a lot of the heavy lifting that the Cardano network doesn't really even need to be doing. And you're going to be seeing a lot of companies doing that. And with all of these different layers, you're now going to be seeing interoperability between multiple different cryptocurrencies that are going to allow them to work very, very seamlessly together. So if you're, let's say, in the NFT world and you have a lot of these Ethereum NFTs, well, now you can really start talking in the Tezos world or even in the ADA world for these NFTs. But it's going to be something amazing. And really all we're missing right now is just some development. Some creative developers to really get their hands in there, really figure out this extended UTXO model and how to build on it. And then you have the added benefit of that. What happens if we really figure out this extended UTXO model or the UTXO model in general? Well, Bitcoin.
Yeah.
The potential of a smart contract on Bitcoin natively.
Yeah, and I think we're going to be seeing way more information at the Cardano Summit later this month. So tomorrow is the big day, and this is only the beginning.
That's true. Smart Contract Eve, guys.
Yeah, Nick here had a great analogy of a battleship, and does it have a landing pad? Absolutely. Oh yeah, a helipad. Yeah, does it have a secret door for you to dock your submarine? Oh yeah, you betcha.
Absolutely. These things, Cardano was designed to be utilized, and it's done by Charles Hoskinson, who has been very methodical and has added literally everything they can. And you want to know why I'm not concerned, and I know that these are going to work very, very well? Ask me. Seriously, ask me why.
How are you so confident?
Because Cardano is peer reviewed. I know it's not just being released and only have been tested by a couple of engineers and hoping to get the real world data from us, the user, like Ethereum. These are tested. People have gone through it. It's peer reviewed. I know it's been done. And you want to know how else I know? Because the EU2XO language that's being written in is essentially Haskell.
Formally verified language.
Exactly. It's been around for decades. It's got real world use cases. It's even got bug checks. It's got real bug check capability. It can run like 1,000 different scenarios or even more at once, different weird things.
So these DEXs and smart contracts that are getting hacked on Ethereum,
we can test that way before.
It's more secure. So again, this is only the beginning. Exciting times. Can't wait to see what happens after the 7th. Yeah, not after the 7th. After the 12th.
And then depending on how the movement works, for us, it's depending on how the movement works, we're hoping to hopefully see you guys at a release stream tomorrow. Maybe even going over and looking at the numbers.
Yep. And guys, we are a stake pool operator. Check us out, AGC.
Ticker AGC. Also check out the socials at Argyros Crypto.
And at Crypto Bytes Pod.
And make sure to check out our good friend Keys at NFTs with Keys. And with that, we look forward to seeing you guys on the other side of the smart contracts tomorrow.